special adventure, special mission. We're going to Zakojška grapa, one of the remote regions of Slovenia, a valley that's been abandoned. We're going to see how people live there. There are 5 homesteads that are completely empty for decades. We're going to visit them, probably not all, but most of them. You will see the report. How it's going. This is Jan, my friend. This is Black Raven Solutions Special Operations. See you. So we are packing the full gear. These backpacks contain everything. Comms are essential to keep communication. Probably we will separate. We need to stay in constant touch because the area is really remote. If something happens, one must report the location, the exact location, you know, whether it's medical emergency. Let's go out of the urban into the wood. Yeah. Yeah. So everything is set. We are fueling the car up. I'm setting up the frequencies. Hey, are we out of breath?
Huh?
Are we out of breath?
We are full of service.
All right. Yeah, tarmac is gone. We are close. We are nearing the location, exfil in 15 minutes. Our pilot is focused and ready, and the troops are also ready. So this is the last residential house. Now we're going into the wild country. Bye bye cat. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, baby. Okay. So now we start our journey. It's around 1 hour to the first settlement, to the first homestead, and we see what we will see. Ciao.
We are very happy to explore.
Yeah, of course. Let the mission and adventure begin. Ni rabljenih stari, ker tisti, ki jih imajo, tudi kot Mazda, veš, tisti, ki ima Mazdo, ima Mazdo. Yeah! So this is life. This is the urbanest of life that I can take. So like being here in the middle of, let's say, nowhere, a little bit of nice good road, being your own master, taking care of the homestead, of forest, of the meadows, and you know, just live off the land. This is the life. Okay, so we're going into a very remote area where there were 5 homesteads on a very remote location and very inaccessible. Probably they went into hiding because they were part of the peasant rebellion in the old days, or they were hiding because they didn't want to pay taxes, or they I don't know, they owed a lot of money and you know, just want to continue living, not being able to pay the debt, or don't want to work for like 20-30 years to pay it off. These were special people that were on the run, and they went into the hiding, and we're going to see how they lived and how they left everything behind them and just moved out. Okay, so a little bit of wild edibles to have something for lunch on our way there, you know, just walking and eating, and that's it. So this region is accessible only by foot, and it's at least 30 to 60 minutes walking distance, and you know, takes some time to come there, but it's nice. Yay! Okay, so we're coming to the first homestead. Can't wait to enter, you know, and feel and see how the people live here. Very remote, lonely life, full of contemplation and, you know, daily struggles. Or maybe they were not struggling, you know, just enjoying a quiet, peaceful life that they created for themselves, away from, you know, all the conundrum of the city and, I don't know, the control, the law and everything, you know, just the law of the nature. Nice. Let's go. Okay, so this one still has an owner, which usually comes here once or twice a year. Now you see the satellite dish small, you see the solar panels on top for little electricity. It's quite nice. So we're moving forward. This one is occupied and we're going to find the ones that are really deserted.
Yes, now we are at the homestay of Vasaye.
Vasaye, yeah, a very nice name. An English W which is not presented in our alphabet. So this is the Vasaye, or as they say in the local dialect, Wasaye. So it's with the W. Cool. So okay. So this is also the touristic way between two villages, Zakojška and Jesenica, and Porezan is the highest peak here, and Huda Južna is the most lower settlement here, where the nice road takes you there. Okay. Yeah, quite a treacherous terrain, very moist. You can easily lose your footing. And there, another homestead we are visiting. Okay, here we are, guys. There's one house, one homestead. There is another one above the tree. Okay, so these are the two that we're definitely going to visit, and for the rest we'll see if there will be enough daylight left. Okay, let's go. First marker. We're here. This is the southeast entry point. Okay, let's go. Yeah, it's clean. But it's full of minerals, which is not bad, but you know, it will just put a little bit of stress on your kidneys. But nothing special, you know. This is very healthy water. Look at all the moss that's growing here. So this is a sign of a pure, clean water. I don't see the last marker, which is some algae. It only grows in pure water if it's contaminated, even by small amounts of anything, you know, even the fecal contamination, or by the sewage or heavy metals and so on. They don't grow there, but I don't see it here. But when I see this moss, I know that it's clean and clear. Wow, the people that come here are really special, you know, very sensitive, with touch of details. There are many small objects or stones they're put on each other, on top of each other, and this is one of them, very nice. These are just a subtle way of showing like I was here. I know this place has a special meaning in my heart, and I want to show it for all the other visitors, maybe just to remind them, for those who are mindful and observeful, to see and, you know, what's coming up ahead. You know, have a lot of respect for the place and for the stories that people made that live here, you know, for all the history, etymology and so on. Go. Zdaj greš že čez plazišče. Tukaj še ni panike. Zdajle se bo pa začel še 10 metrov, pa prideš do unga najbolj nevarnega dela, ker ni toliko nevaren, ampak moraš paziti. Ok, še malo, še 2 metra, lahko greš še malo višji, lahko greš desno gor malo v hrib, ampak tamle tole se plazi zdajle. Pa kar zaupi, da bo držal. Tudi če se začne premikati, te bo držal. Ker si lažji kot jaz. Sam pejt. Zber si ruto, po kateri boš šel, pa samo pejt, brez da razmišljaš. Odlično. Samo naprej, ne se ustavljati. Samo naprej. Samo naprej. Tako. Yeah, just keep on going. Keep on going. Okay, you're on the safe side. From there on, there's no more danger. All right. Woo! Yeah, man, yeah! Yeah, good job, well done. Very treacherous here. So this is the landslide. So all the time the material is sliding down the slope. And into the valley. So this type of a valley, it has like a cliff on top, and it's only accessible by these routes or from one side location or the other, but not from the top. It's called Zatrepna Dolina or grappa in our language. So grappa is also an Italian wine, type of wine, but maybe also Istrian, sorry, I'm not so sure, so maybe even our Slovenian, but look at the beauty. So in French this would be like a cul-de-sac, so like a one-way street, not just one way, but one way with a dead end street. Yeah, so now we're going to traverse and watch your step. So these ones are not waterproof, right? Okay, so maybe you take them off. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go there. So here it was a bridge of wooden beams, but it collapsed. So it's quite a few years. It's nobody, just worked here or did anything. Okay, let's go. Woo, yeah! Wow, very nice. So these hills are high in iron ore. It's not pure grade,
but it's iron, so potential to do all kind of smith stuff, you know, making your own ore, your ore iron, and all other alloys. We'll see what we can do here. Krslice, krslice. Snimi. So you are without food for 14 hours, right?
Yes.
So you're a little bit cold. I'm not. Well, so, whew. Whew.
You're a little bit sweating.
Yeah, a lot, not just a little bit. So, and when you're sweating, oh come on, you have to hydrate quite extensively. Wow, let's go.
Here it is, first one.
Hey, there's the altar of the house. There were wooden houses here in 19th century, where nobody knows when they were first built, and this valley was inhabited. But the first one was built in 1905. Probably this one, because it's the biggest one.
Oh, nice doors.
Yeah. So we're going to leave our backpacks here, dismount, and go inside.
Ready?
Let's enter. Yes, we're going to charge our friend here. Take the most valuable equipment with us. Let's go in. Kar še ti snimiš? Ja, itak. Ti pa svojo verzijo. Wow. Wow. Look at this. The hand wheel and baskets.
Thank you for letting us.
Yeah. Wow, so this was the tool room and the building room. It's no legs.
Wow.
Yeah, this is a great handsaw, and the big one for taking down the big trees. A sickle.
Old oven.
Yeah, very nice. Basket. Wow. Nice
Some
curtains.
plates on the table.
The squirrels being here. See all the poop. And what's it called? Dormouse. Nice.
was taken. Only the woodworms were left here. Nice. Wooden floors and wooden ceilings. Big axe. Oh, this is the kitchen. This has to be renovated. Everything completely. So this is the big stove where you bake the bread and everything else. There's the light. They had electricity. So this whole valley had some hydro plants here also. They also had saws and mills. Everything was run by this water. Wow. Nice. A lot of axes here. Some pots. And this is the new remnant of the visitor that was left here on this. So this is tin. Very nice. Oh, look at this. You don't see it everywhere. There's a piece of tool. It's just. Okay, there's the basement. We have to check if the stairs are okay. Can you give me the flashlight? Or just wait a second. Okay, here we go. I don't know. I'm not sure this will hold. So don't step in the middle, but only the sides. You know, because you are on the support beam. Yeah, it looks perfect. Still okay. Let's go very slowly. Wow. So this is the big pot. So they were cooking, I don't know, a lot of stuff here. Look at the size of this baby. This is at least 200 liters. Maybe not, but 120 for sure. Wow. This is still good, still to use. This is the basement. Oh, very nice. So another stove.
It's like a very good basement for having a parties.
Yeah, yeah.
Krčma.
Krčma, yeah. Okay, so this is the mill. Look at this baby. Yeah, this is an old mill, a very small one.
This is for putting the...
For grain.
For grain.
Yeah, for making flour. Very nice. Or for something else. I have to check it out. No, it's not a mill, but it's for... Maybe it's for... Oh, kuserčelan. Well, I'll research it a little bit. So they put something in, and then they removed the seeds from the stem. Okay, by just turning this baby. Okay. Well, everything is still usable.
It's an amazing place for having a picnic area.
Yeah.
With a beautiful tree.
Yeah. So let's go into the first floor.
I think the structure of the house is still in very good shape.
Yeah. Yeah, it's solid.
and this, you know, the upper house, the upper house, which is completely destroyed. The base walls and the corner walls are still okay, so you just lift it up, and here you just repair the
windows.
Yeah, the windows and also everything, you know, but the crude walls remain, and they're okay.
The idea how to bring the materials here,
Yeah, with helicopter or on your back, everything on your back.
10 to 20 people on the back.
Yeah. So these are all working areas. This is a pig. Some soles from the shoe. This is modern stuff. And
Watch here, step.
yeah. Okay, so we're going to put these pitches here. One shoe. This is an old shoe. Yeah. Okay. So now, don't walk in the middle. Only by the sides.
A very good shape.
Yeah, quite okay. I would change everything. Okay. So we're going into the first floor, which is a residential area. More tools. Wow. So this is the sleds.
Very big sleds.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. For bringing the equipment here.
And some machine which we don't know for what it is.
Well, let's check it out. This is the press.
For seats.
Leitner Whippitano. Yeah, so this is removing the seats from the stem. Okay. Old stuff. But still try it if it works.
Could be work.
Yeah, just try.
Thank you for letting me to use it.
Wow, still works. Perfect. Right. So
Amazing design.
another stove and chimney. Oh no, just the chimney. So they had a service door upstairs to clear the chimney of all the soot. Yeah, so you don't start a fire in the house. You have to clean it at least.
Big chimney.
Yeah.
It's a very big chimney.
So it's wide. You see how wide it is?
Very wide.
So you can step inside and watch the step, because this, try to find the beams on the floor, not step on the light stuff. Okay. So you see, they see wild animals and mice, they're very dirty. No, they're not. They have a place to shit, and they have a place to sleep, and they have a place to eat. And they don't shit and eat in the same place. Okay, so this could be fox, or kuna ferret, or something like that, something small. And probably they sleep inside, or they just shit inside. But this is still quite okay. You know, you just refurbish it and change a little bit. Oh, nice! It's a nice coat. Wow, it's a women's coat. And pillows and blankets. So if this would be a survival situation, you know, this is viable. You could sleep here. It's an old energy. You would have to clear it, but you know, if there was an old broom. Nice. Everything is working. Ah, this is great potential. Another small bedroom. I check out the rest, and I'm not going up there. It's just the, you know, all the ladders are here, and the stuff they put.
But outside, again, a very big place.
Yeah, it's another it's another set of rooms, and this is going to be interesting for you. You know what it is? Hey, come here.
Yes.
You know what this is? This is the storage area, kascha. So they put the grains inside, they put, I don't know, the potatoes inside, everything was here. So it's a dry place, that's why it's in the first floor. So everything that can be stored in the wet, it's in the basement, where it's cool, it's cooler than here. But here it needs to be dry, you know, so they put, they hang the stuff here. So probably it was wheat. And you know they clear it up, but if you see, you know, there's quite a lot of moisture, so everything needs to be tear down to the stone, and then a clay, the mat piece. So you know you have to apply the clay on top, or any old apno. Any old materials that were used here. So this has quite a potential, you know, to make it livable again. Very nice, you know, maybe some tourist stuff can be done here, tourist programs, and so on. And if 20 people come here, we can do it like in 2 months. Everything, like the sanke. Wow, so these are the hooks that were hanging stuff here. So maybe also this was for the animal slaughter, I don't know, I'm not sure, but maybe it is, you know, because these are the doors that are open at the back. Yeah. Okay, this is it. So there's another room, or just the big one? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Great. Wow.
A lot of stuff still useful.
Yeah. It was made by great wood and by the people that knew how to work. Wow. Have a boot here. So each person had kako se reče skrinja? You know? No, it's not. Yeah, a casket. Had a wooden casket like this. Okay, so these caskets were not for the personal stuff, but for equipment. And in the Middle Ages they had wooden caskets by the poor folks, and then they had the iron caskets with locks, you know, for the wealthy folks. Wow, see the chains to bring out the wood. This is probably the ox. Veš kaj bi rad takole malo višji nekako naredil?
Lepa hiška.
Ja.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Bo šlo do konca sput? To neki puša, to ne vem, sem mislil, da malo zaviti. Sam to bom rekel, če si ga daš za pas, si ga zapni tako, da je klipsno tudi vmes, veš, da je stisno. Pa ne si ga za ta plas, ampak za tega si ga daš. No, jaz tako rečem, ta lokacija tukaj, to je najbolj varno. Tako da imaš na oči. Bye. Yeah, so always pick up the flammable stuff. This is birch bark, one of the best materials to start fire with. And I put it in drop pouch. Ja, stipram. Okay, let's go. So now we're coming to another house, the second one, and then we'll probably call it a day because it's already 3:30 and we still have 1 hour and a half walking distance back, and it's going to be dark already. Yeah. And check your laces. Everything should be tight. Nice balance, man. Very legit.
Still some leftovers of doing Ashtanga yoga.
Yeah. Perfect. Like okay. So it's a free fall. So this is a part of an old hydro central. It was making electricity for these homesteads. And the construction, wooden construction, and also up there is a part of the roof. But yeah, next time we'll check it out what we can salvage. Hydropower is cleanest and best for me. Okay, coming to the second homestead. Wow. place is just so magical. Woo. Yeah, nice. Hey, you know what would be best here? To have a mule. Yeah. Like each homestead has one mule. And then you can transport any kind of equipment. And you can have like a one horse for horseback riding, but like a mountain horse. You know, not a meadow horse. Oh, nice. Yeah, this one, yeah, I'm not so sure, you know, maybe it's been taken care of, maybe not, but yeah. So they say not poison but poison. Very nice. Yeah, and it's closed, locked. Nice. Okay. So this one already taken, and that's it for today. Yeah, so you see the walls are still okay, and you just build on top. You have all the wood you need and all the forest here, and we're going back to where we came from. Okay. 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 Okay, let's go. Yeah, man. Woo! Yeah. So the mission is almost over. We're doing the real exfil now. Not the exfil from the urban area, but from the wild area. We're going to take some souvenirs from our friends, the trees. This is the white pine. And, oh, sorry, not the white pine, the white spruce. I'm going to take it as a souvenir. Vibration for the heart. Nice, nice. So we are running away from the from the bad
Clouds.
weather. Yeah. Wow, wow. Look, 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 look. I believe there's a cave up there. Yeah, we have to check it out. See if it's empty. Yeah, so it's going to rain. 3 days ago the forecast was that the whole Sunday will be raining cats and dogs. We didn't have one drop of rain. Mostly we had sunshine, but now, you know, we thank the gods of rain and thunder to sleep for the whole day and let the sunshine shine. Now the clouds are clumping up and it smells on the rain. Well, there's no ozone yet, so the thunderstorm is not rolling in, but I believe in a matter of 20 to 30 minutes there's going to be already a light rain. Oh no, not 30 minutes already. Wow, look, so another. Okay, so poncho up. Let's go, man. Take the poncho out. Okay.
Tu gre roke ven, ne?
Ne? Roke ne.
Aha, the best.
Je v redu.
The best.
Roke da greš imaš tukaj za ven, da boš rabo jih vet. Ni rečeno, da jih bo sploh rabo, prav? Tu. Ja, tukaj. Ja.
Ti ne boš gor dal?
Bom. Bom. Evo se vidite. What? Oh. Okay. Let's go. Ooh-wee. Is coming. The wind is picking up and we are exhaling like crazy fast. Let's go! Woo, let's go, let's go! Oh man. Oh. Safety first. Never run. Okay, so we're going to show that we were here. Put a little bit on top. Yeah. Nice. Coming back to the civilization. I think it's like 20-25 minutes to the car. Wow, look at this, man. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. We're coming to the last building house. You see the showers. A vidiš, lokalne nevihtice. Ja. Vidiš, ne? V to greva. So, we finished our mission, our journey. Whoa, whoa, wow, so this is nice goodbye. Very nice goodbye. Great omen. Yeah, so we had a beautiful day. It was a forecast, like it's going to rain cats and dogs the whole weekend. It was nice. We had a couple of raindrops, you know, just we were blessed by the gods. Just had a great day. We saw a lot of old stuff. We saw how people lived off the land, and you know, we met a couple of locals that told us a story about the place, how the two families came together after World War II, and they created a hydroelectric plant, and they lived a couple of decades still there. They had saws, they had sawmill, and they had some mill for the flour. Basically, they just lived there. You know, very nice, very quiet life, away from all the toxic or urban jungle most of people just are accustomed to. And you know, but here life is different. It's peaceful. It's harsh, yeah, of course. You have to work hard sometimes, you know, in order to get wood for the winter, to keep yourself warm, or you know, grow your own crops. But you know, it's a beautiful land and beautiful people. Very beautiful people, very friendly. If you're friendly, you know. Yeah.
So going back to the city, and stay tuned, subscribe, hit all the bells and all that stuff. And we're going to make this like a couple of documentaries. Very nice. And we will visit other places where people lived, and we're going to show you, how it was done. Stay safe, stay tuned, go into nature, enjoy yourself, be playful, be with your friends, take care of your body, eat healthy food, fast or eat an intermittent fast sometime. Just be happy. That's all. Zakojška. Yeah. Behind the cross. Nice name. Beautiful. Just beautiful.